Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video on a 1973 International 1210 Camper Special four-wheel drive pickup. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is, in my opinion, without a doubt, probably one of the nicest international trucks in the world. And during the course of this video, I'll show you everything about this truck. Wow, 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 what a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Painted in the original colors, and I guarantee you, when they came off the showroom floor, they weren't this nice. This truck has the 392 engine, four-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. It is an absolute baby doll, frame off, nut and bolt, rotisserie restoration. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. We buy a lot of really, really nice cars and vehicles here at Kinion Classics, but I can tell you that this truck is probably in the top 3, maybe all time, that we have owned here. 57,000 original miles, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Does have the gentleman, when they restored it, it does have a Holly Sniper fuel injection on it. Look at this thing. I'm going to crawl underneath this truck here in just a little bit for you and show you the undercarriage. Even the spare. Spray on bed liner on the floor, done to the correct color. Even the inside of the box is painted just as nice as the rest of the truck. I have not figured out what I'm going to price this at yet, but hold on to your hats because it's going to be a lot. And it's well deserving of whatever price I put on it, I can tell you that. You couldn't restore this truck. If you wanted to restore this truck to this quality, 150 grand probably. That's without even having the truck. When you sit in the seat, it's like sitting on your living room couch. The EF Holly Sniper controller is in the glove box. There's no disappointments. Dual fuel tanks. Stainless mufflers. Spray on bed liner on the bottom side of the bed as well. What a truck. This is probably something that even an international tractor dealer should probably buy and just put it in their an international tractor dealer or a major collector of international trucks or tractors, either one, look at this thing. Spend the time, watch the video. As I said, there is no disappointments with this bad boy. I'll set this down for a second here. There we go. Original exhaust manifolds, the whole engine was rebuilt, transmission, transfer case. This thing is absolutely awesome. I got this excited the other day on a 67 Camaro, and I'm just as excited on this truck. I'll leave that up for a minute while they... Look at that paint. Oh my goodness. This thing is just so nice. Oh my gosh. I'm not trying to be repetitive and show you more stuff underneath the truck, but just trying to make you realize just how nice this thing is. I'm sure everyone, well, a lot of people can appreciate that. What a truck. Oh, wow. Windshield wipers, horn, left turn, right turn, hair blows cold. I believe he said this thing has a maybe a Bluetooth capable radio plug-in somewhere. Wow. I mean, this is probably a $150,000 truck to the right guy. I'm not pricing it for that much, but I'm telling you, just simply an amazing piece. A little bit of a belt chirp. I'll have tons of these pictures on my website as well. This thing should probably just go in my collection, but I don't need to keep them all. But it should go to somebody who's really going to appreciate it, because like I said, you'll never duplicate this truck. And I love that color combination, that typical early mid 70s nostalgic paint scheme. And that was the original colors, the gentleman told me. Holy shnikes, that air is cold. I don't need that on. It's not that warm out today. Careful coming out of here. Dome light works as well. Shut that baby off. This truck's so BA. Me that he took this thing to the Hy-Vee Cars and Coffee drive-in, and he said there was a lot of exotic cars there, a lot of really nice stuff there as well. But he said he come out from getting a few things into the store, and there was about 25 or 30 people all gathered around this truck. And you watch the video, look at the pictures, and obviously you can see why. What an amazing truck. And how many internationals do you see? You see Chevy, Fords, and Dodges, but how many of these trucks do you see? If there was a car show coming up locally here soon, I would take this truck to it, because this truck is honestly, it's a SEMA, SEMA car show. It's a SEMA quality built truck. In fact, I should have found somebody to throw it in their booth out there. Warren Winch or somebody, somebody like that. Spectacular ride. I know this video might be a little bit longer than my normal videos, but it's a little bit, it's more of a special, unique vehicle, and I wanted to show everyone the quality of this truck. She's gorgeous. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, badass, cool pickup trucks every day. I can tell you that we haven't had any more international trucks that have been this cool in our showroom. It just runs and drives so smooth, right down the highway, 60, 65 mile an hour. What an awesome truck. Again, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com, KINION auto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. And those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.